Looking for a solid at reliable MPPT solar charge controller? Try the Elejoy EMD 600-watt MPPT solar charge controller. Based sa personal experience ko, maganda talaga siya at legit ang performance. Mas stable at mas malakas siya kumpara sa ibang MPPT na nagamit ko. Kaya nitong mag-handle ng up to 600 watts solar input at 40 amps charging current. Perfect para sa house solar setup, off-grid system, at backup power. Compatible ito sa lithium at lead-acid batteries. At pwedeng i-adjust ang output voltage from 10 to 30 volts. So flexible sa iba't ibang setup. Ang MPPT technology nito ay very efficient, up to 99% tracking efficiency. Kaya mas maraming energy from solar ang nagagamit at hindi nasasayang. May LCD display din para makita mo real-time ang voltage, current, at charging status. Plus, smart cooling fan para hindi mag-overheat. Safety-wise, may short circuit, overcurrent at temperature protection, kaya safe gamitin kahit everyday operation. IP65 rated din ito, so dustproof at rainproof, pang outdoor setup talaga. Kung gusto mo ng upgrade sa solar system mo, sulit ito. Sa experience ko, mas okay performance niya kumpara sa ibang MPPT na nasubukan ko. Elejoy EMD 600-watt MPPT. Subok na, solid pa.